Hello everybody. It seems that today the risky assets are popular again. So let's have a look. The Fear and Greed Index for the stock market. Now we are at 24, a bit higher than yesterday, which was 20. And then the Crypto Fear Index, we were yesterday at 19, now at 10. But I think this does not include yet the pump of today. So the next refresh is in 5 hours. So probably this will be much higher. So let's have a look at the charts. Let's start with the S&P 500 on the daily. So we had the bounce from the golden zone, and then the golden zone over here, which could have been resistance. It was just only yesterday a resistance, and today we did slice through it. So we can remove this one. And here the golden zone, we can take it off and leave the 786. So let's go to the 1 hour, for example. Because here we start to lose power. So it looks like here we will at the end find resistance. So this can also be a good take profit point. Yeah, where does it go from there? Who knows? Let's see. Maybe if we go all the way up to here, we take a golden zone. Yeah, then that would line up with the naked point of control over here. Or we just do like the previous time, we did sell off and then we just went all the way up, making new all-time highs. Yeah, there's still this high selling volume. Yeah, and this buying volume is also quite high, 2 times here actually. Yeah, it's hard to say where we would bounce off if we come down here. Also, I would say, I personally would leave a small position open because I'm in a long from down here. So I can put my stop loss at break even. So if it comes down all the way, okay, no problem, nothing lost. Yeah, so that's currently what I'm looking at over here. Then we have gold, reasonably stable. Let's go back to the daily. So we're still on that down leg. So potentially looking at the 1780 region. And did I see a pattern here? Gartley. Ah, that's a pity. I didn't see that one, but probably this would reach just take profit 1 and then roll over to the downside. Yeah, okay, anyway. Silver then doing very good today, almost 1.5% up. So this Gartley, which is in play, looks good. So as I said yesterday, I took my long over here. So now this bump up, this looks good. So yeah, we will see how it goes from here. Who knows, maybe we reclaim that channel again. But as I said before, I don't really like trading such channels because it depends day to day when you reclaim this channel. So it's quite hard to say. Like you can say, okay, tomorrow we should reach 26.34. But then the day after it should be 26.5 and then 26.55 and so on. So it's quite difficult to take any position based on that. So I like more to trade harmonic patterns. You have a much better stop loss and entry level. So, and then, yeah, this, if this starts to work out nicely, then I think also this pink pattern is also valid. So this point C, I should move then where Gartley is written here. So that would be valid as well. Good. Bitcoin then, dominance did fall 0.5%, but we're still trading sideways. Then Bitcoin itself, let's go to the lower time frames. So what did happen? It looks like I believe there was some kind of triangle in play, or a wedge. Oh, I don't remember where exactly, but it also, so there was this falling wedge. We did come out to the downside. Everybody starts shorting. We take out the lows, which were here. What you get then is those people get stopped out. Shorts are opening. We come down. We start to accumulate over here. And then today, bam, we did break the daily. Also this one. And now we did break this daily as well. And then we did break the weekly. But the weekly is a tough one. It was nice resistance in the past, nice support in the past, but now resistance. So once resistance here, now second time resistance over here, and now we're coming back to test the daily. We also have the naked point of control for today, which is over here. So now it's to be seen where we will find support. It's a bit tough for the moment to see where we might enter. Let's see if we take the low to the high. So the golden zone is above this daily. So I might think that we come down and we would retest the daily over here. So the, let's say 30,400 region, 30,600 to 30,400. Yeah. No. We're gonna have to see in the coming days what happens. But for now, this is the level with nice confluences. So yeah, but we also have this imbalance over here. So maybe this is also something which we might retest, because if price goes too high too fast, or low too fast, then it usually gets retested where you slowly go through all those levels. So that's also a possibility. Let's see, do we get other FIP retracements? The 786, yeah. So look at that, the 786 is almost at the bottom of this long candle. So this might also be a region. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait and see how it will act over here. There's apparently also some Bitcoin conference going on with Elon Musk. So as we know, people like to pump and dump based on what Elon says. So if he says just something a little bit incorrectly, then maybe it will dump again. Yeah, okay. So we also still have this red trend line over here. Let's maybe a bit bigger. So this one, if we break that one, then that would be really bullish. Good. So Bitcoin, yeah, for now, I don't really see any point of entry. So except for this region, and then maybe with a stop loss below the lows, not exactly below, because we still can go down completely to retest again the lows and take out the stop losses over there. But then you should put your stop loss yeah, much lower. So then Ethereum. For Ethereum, we had a harmonic in play on the 8 hour. And let's see. So for this one, I said that we could potentially go lower. So to this point D over here. So that's clearly not the case anymore. So we end up here, and then let's take the Fibonacci retracement, and let's see if this is for a shark. Yeah. So basically for a shark, we already had to take profit over here. So I didn't take a long on Ethereum here. But for the ones who did, then take profit is already here, and then take profit 2 is on the top of point C, which is at 2,412. All right, let's look at the Algo Trading. So we have Tezos again, the trigger line acting as resistance. So we're still in a short position, still profitable. Dogecoin, exactly the same happens over here. Trigger line is resistance, and we're coming down again. Then the others, Bitcoin, the trigger line did come down, so now we're waiting for the 34,166 to be broken before we go long. And for Ethereum, let's expand that one. Ethereum is 2,132 to be broken. Bitcoin Cash, also nothing here, still far away. And XRP, we get a buy signal. So let's have a look. We got a sell signal over here, so we will have a nice profit today. So let's have a look. So Bitcoin, $10 underwater. XRP, so if everything stays as it is, we will close with a profit of $105. And Tezos currently 58 in virtual profit. So yeah, let's see what happens tomorrow. If we can continue this trend, then we might have some more coins triggering the buy signal. I will also try to publish today another indicator which I find quite useful. It's based on the Donchian channels. And probably I will make a separate video on how to trade that one. It's not as profitable as the one as I use here, the ATR trailing stop, but it's still a very good one, and it keeps you in a trend. But I will expand more on that in a different video. All right, that's it for me today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.